In this tutorial I will show you how to resize the video in CapCut on the PC. So what we have to do, we have to click once on the video, so this menu will pop up, and now we'll have two options how we can resize our video. We can either drag and drop it from the margins, or either we can drag and drop this tiny arrow from the scale. Of course, obviously 100% is the original size, and if you go 200% it will zoom in, okay? And we can also readjust the size individually on the Y and X axis. If we disable the uniform scale, now we can do this individually, so it will not maintain its aspect ratio, right? And you can do the same thing from here. Let's undo all this, go to 100% for both of them. And also, if you'd like to rotate the video, you will have here the X position and the Y position. Or also, let's enable the uniform scale for now. You will have a tiny arrow right underneath the video right here. Something else which you'd like to know is the aspect ratio, which can be found right here. Let's press on it. 16:9 is full HD, is the long form videos from YouTube, and 9:16 is the TikTok or the YouTube Shorts format. Which you'd like to keep in mind is the aspect ratio depending on what project you are working on. So this is how to resize a video in CapCut on the PC. I hope this tutorial answered all your questions, and thank you a lot for watching.